Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I'll be teaching you guys something very special. I'll be teaching you some amazing lead lines that you can play with your keyboard. So this is what I'll be teaching you guys today. I will play it first, then when I play it, I'm going to do the breakdown on how I played what I will play now. So this is it. So what I was playing is very simple. Very simple. So you just have to watch and learn. I'm going to be doing the breakdown on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes. Because I know some of us are playing on F and some of us are playing on other keys. But I will do the breakdown on F sharp, but I will call out the notes. So those that are not playing on F sharp can apply it to their own key. But the normal key I'm on now is on G. But I'm doing the tutorial on F sharp, but the normal key is on G now. So just watch carefully and learn. The first thing I was playing there is do do mi so ti do mi fa so. Understand? Do mi so ti so fa so. Do mi so ti so fa so. Let me take it slowly so you understand very well. Do mi so ti so fa so. Very nice. That's do mi so. Hope you are getting this one. Do mi so ti. That's something. Just watch. And if you want to rehearse this, for those that are beginners, yeah, if you want to rehearse this, don't just go to your keyboard and be doing. You will make mistake. So you have to take it very slowly. Very slowly. Once you start taking it this way, you know, some people will just come to my DM and be saying keyboard is very hard. How can I learn keyboard? If you want to do rehearsal, if you want to practice, you don't just get what you are learning like this. It's not possible. So you have to take it gradually. It's a gradual process. Just take it like this. By the time you do this for about a week, you will know that your hand will be adapted to the keys. So before you know, you'll be doing this. So the first one, do mi so ti so fa so. Then the second one, do mi so. Also play do mi so ti so fa so. Do da la so. Do da ta. This is my ta on F sharp. Do da la so ti so fa so. Do da la so ti so fa so. Do ta la so ti so fa so. Understand? First one, do mi so ti so fa so. Do ta la so. So you'll be mixing it. So you are getting this two now. So once you play that one, you move to your octave. Once you go, play. So this one is do mi la so re fa la so, do mi la so re fa la so, do mi la so re fa la so. So if you are doing this one, it will look as if you are playing live lead. We have gotten this. Then you go to. I know I've teaching you this one on my previous video, so let me just do it for those of us that are just joining the page. So after I play, there you go. Mi do la so ti re la so, mi do la so ti re la so, mi do la so ti re la so. Mi do la so ti re la so, mi do. Let me take it slowly. Mi do la so ti re la so, mi do la so ti re. Then you go back. Mi so do re do, mi so ti fa, mi so do re do. So this one. So I hope you have learned a very nice lead line today that you can be using in church. You know, when you're singing, once they sing song like this, Agame buraya, don't play. Once they're singing, Agame buraya, so this is just what I was playing. So this one now. Do mi so la so, do mi so la so, do mi so la so, re, sorry. Do mi so la so, ti re so fa so, do mi so la so, ti re so fa so, do mi so la so, ti re so fa so. I'm calling out these suffer notes. I should have just been doing only the playing the notes so you'll be seeing it, but I want to call out the notes so that those of us that is not familiar with F sharp can be able to apply it to their own keys. So. Do mi so la so ti re so fa so, do mi so la so ti re so fa so, do mi la ta la, 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 do mi la ta la. most of you do hear this one. When the lead man is playing, you always hear something like this. Sometimes it's always an octave. You'll be wondering, and you'll be hearing most of the keyboardists play is. You'll be wondering, how are these people doing this? So this is just this is just what they are playing. So I hope you have learned something today. So this is just what I want to teach you today. So if you want to learn any other thing, just comment what you want me to teach you. Just comment on any of my videos. Just comment what you want me to teach you. I'm going to try and teach you. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you support by liking, sharing, and commenting. God bless you all.